Anti-cancer drug developer Arcellx applies for IPO to raise US $100 million. Cancer drug developer Arcellx has filed to hold an IPO to raise up to $100 million, although that appears to be a placeholder number and is likely to change. The biotech company filed AS-1 with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, although the initial public offering's exact pricing, timing and other terms were not disclosed. However, ACLX already raised $115 million last April, at an unspecified valuation in a Series C funding round. As for its IPO, Arcellx wrote in its S-1 that the company intends to use the offering's proceeds in part to fund further development of its cell-based therapy candidates CART-ddBCMA, ACLX-001 and ACLX-002. The biotech firm has been developing CART-ddBCMA and ACLX-001 for the treatment of multiple myeloma, and ACLX-002 for acute myeloid leukemia and high-risk myelodysplastic syndrome. CART-ddBCMA is currently in phase 1 clinical testing, while ACLX-001 and ACLX-002 are in preclinical development. The company hopes to begin clinical testing of ACLX-001 during 2022's first half, and testing of ACLX-002 in the year's second half, according to the filing. In April 2021, the company received FDA clearance to begin clinical testing of ACLX-001, which will mark the first clinical application of its Arcellx drug development platform. The company said in its filing that it intends to list its shares on the Nasdaq under the symbol ACLX. Underwriters include BOA Securities, SVB Leerink, Barclays and William Blair. The biotech group reported a net loss of $23 million for the 6-month period ended Sept 30, 2021, compared with a net loss of $44.3 million for the same period in 2020. ACLX's pre-IPO backers include Samsara BioCapital and CAPital, which led its Series C funding round. Other participants in the round included existing investors NIA, Novo Holdings, SR1, Takeda Ventures, LG Tech and Clough Capital. They were joined by new investors Adage, Asymmetry, Cos Capital, Cambrian Bio, 60 Degree, Soleus Capital, Citadel Surveyor Capital, Suvretta and Terra Magnum Partners. For more IPO news, visit Seeking Alpha's IPO section here.